Good morning, students. Welcome to Bindu Dhadwal chemistry lessons. Today we'll be doing exemplar problems on structure of atom. Which of the following conclusions could not be derived from the Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment? Most of the space in the atom is empty. The radius of the atom is about 10 raised to power minus 10 meter, while that of nucleus is 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. Electrons move in a circular path of fixed energy called orbits. Electrons and the nucleus are held together by electrostatic forces of attraction. So, C. Electrons move in a circular path of fixed energy called orbits could not be derived from Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment. It was proposed by Bohr and not by Rutherford. Which of the following option does not represent ground state electronic configuration of an atom? So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 is ground state configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3t9, 4s2 is not the ground state configuration because it should be 3d10, 4s1 because fully filled subshell is more stable. So configuration should be 3d10, 4s1. So option B is the correct answer. Here it is 3d10 4s1, it's ground state. Here it is 3d5 4s1 is also ground state because half filled configuration is also very stable. The probability density plots of 1s and 2s orbitals are given in the following figures. The density of dots in a region represents the probability density of finding electrons in the region. On the basis of above diagram, which of the following statement is incorrect? 1s and 2s orbitals are spherical in shape. The probability of finding the electron is maximum near the nucleus. The probability of finding the electron at a given distance is equal in all directions. The probability density of electrons for 2s orbital decreases uniformly as distance from the nucleus increases. So option D is the correct option. Which of the following statement is not correct about the characteristics of cathode rays? They start from cathode and move towards the anode. Correct. They travel in a straight line in absence of external electrical and magnetic field. Correct. Characteristics of cathode rays do not depend upon material of electrode in cathode ray tube. That is also correct because all contain electrons, which is a fundamental particle. Characteristics of cathode rays depend upon the nature of gas present in the cathode ray tube. No, this is not correct. So option D is the correct option. The cathode rays do not depend upon the nature of gas present in the cathode ray tube. Which of the following statements about the electron is incorrect? It is a negatively charged particle. True. The mass of electron is equal to mass of neutron. No, this is not true. It is incorrect because mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg and that of proton is 1.674 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg. They are not equal. It is the basic constituent. Yes. It's the constituent of cathode rays. Yes. Which of the following properties of atoms could be explained correctly by Thomson's model of atom? Overall neutrality of atom is the correct option. So it could be explained correctly by the Thomson's model of atom. Thomson's model could not explain spectra. It could not depict the position of electron, protons and neutrons because it said that they are uniformly distributed, whereas electrons are present outside the nucleus. Stability of atom was also not correctly explained by the Thomson's model of atom. So, two atoms are said to be isobars if they have the same atomic number but different mass number. No. They have same number of electrons, different number. No. They are same number of neutrons but different number of electrons. No. Sum of number of protons and neutrons is same but number of protons is different. Option D is the correct option. The number of radial nodes for 3p orbital is, find out the number of radial nodes is n minus L minus 1. N is 3, L is 1, so 3 minus 1 minus 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. So option D is the correct option. Number of angular nodes for 4d orbital is, as D has L equal to 2 and number of angular nodes is equal to the L, so it has 2, so option C is the correct answer. Which of the following is responsible to rule out the existence of definite path or trajectory of electrons? The answer is Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, because it states that it is not possible to simultaneously determine the position and momentum correctly of an electron. That electron can move in a definite path. It may change its path based on the energy incident on the electron. Total number of orbitals associated with third shell will be, the option should be 9, because number of orbitals is n square and the value of n in the third shell is 3. So this is 3 square, which is equal to 9. Third shell will have 3s, 3p and 3d subshells. It has one orbital, 3 and 5. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. So option C is the correct answer. Orbital angular momentum depends upon L, N and L, N and M and M and S. So answer is A, L, because orbital, the formula for finding out the orbital angular momentum is square root of L into L plus 1 h by 2 pi. So it depends upon the value of L. Other values are fixed. 13th question. Chlorine exists in two isotopic forms, Cl37 and Cl35, but its atomic mass is 35.5. This indicates the ratio of Cl37 and Cl35 as approximately. Let's the number of Cl atoms be 1. So for 1 Cl37, let Cl35 be X. So to find out the average atomic mass, we will have the atomic mass into number of atoms plus the atomic mass into number of atoms X upon total number of atoms will be, this is 1 and this is X. So X plus 1. So this answer is 35.5 given over here. So the ratio will be 37 plus 35x upon x plus 1. Taking x plus 1 to this side, we get 35.5x plus 35.5 is equal to 37 plus 35x. Taking x to this side, and 30.5x is equal to 37 minus 35.5 is 1.5. X is equal to 1.5 upon 0.5, which is 3. So the 37 is 1. If 37 is 1, then ratio will be 1:3. Option C is the correct answer. The pair of ions having the same electronic configuration is, so for the ions to have the same electronic configuration, they should have the same number of electrons. Chromium 24, 3 positive charge means 3 electrons are lost, 21. Iron 26, 3 electrons lost is 23. Iron 3 positive, 26 minus 3 is 23. 25 minus 2 is 23. These two have the same electron, hence the same electronic configuration. 26 minus 3, 23, and 27 minus 3, 24, and 21 minus 3 is 18, and 24 minus 3 is 21. So option B is the correct answer. For the electrons of oxygen atom, which of the following statement is correct? The effective nuclear charge for an electron in 2s orbital is the same as effective nuclear charge for an electron in a 2p? No. An electron in the 2s orbital has same energy as an electron in 2p? No. The Z effective for an electron in 1s orbital is same as Z effective for electron in 2s orbital? No. The two electrons present in 2s orbital have spin quantum numbers ms, but of opposite sign is the correct answer. Traveling at same speeds, which of the following matter waves have the shortest wavelength? So we have wavelength is equal to h by mv. So the higher the mass, less will be the wavelength. So the shortest wavelength will be the particle having the highest mass. Out of the 4, alpha particle has the highest mass, 4. So alpha particles will have the shortest wavelength. Option B is the correct answer. Identify the pairs which are not of isotopes. So isotopes have the same atomic number. We want to find those pairs which are not isotopes. So option C and option D, they do not have the same atomic number. Out of the following pair of electrons, identify the pair of electrons present in degenerate orbitals. Electrons present in degenerate orbitals have the same energy and the same principal quantum number and azimuthal quantum number. So in first option, N and L have same values, 3 and 3 and 2 and 2. So this is correct. Also, this does not have same value. This does not have same value. These have the same N and L values. So option D is also having degenerate orbitals. Which of the following sets of quantum numbers are correct? So the value of L should be n minus 1 up till n minus 1, from 0 to n minus 1. So this is not correct. Here also this is correct. 3 minus 2, this is correct. This is greater than 3, this is not correct. So option B and C have the same, have correct quantum numbers. The value of ml can be from plus L to minus L, including 0. So these values come into that criteria. So option B and C is the correct answer. In which of the following pairs the ions are isoelectronic? So let us find out the number of electrons. Sodium is 11, but with 1 positive charge it has 10 electrons. Magnesium 12 with 2 positive charge, 10. So this is isoelectronic. Aluminium 13 with 3 positive charge means 10 electrons. And oxygen 8 with 1 negative charge means 9 electron. Sodium positive is 11 minus 1, 10 electrons. And 8 plus 2 is 10 electrons. So this is also isoelectronic. Here nitrogen 7 with 3 electron is 10. And chlorine 17 with 1 electron is 18. So this is not isoelectronic. Option A and C are isoelectronic. That's all in today's video. Thank you. Have a nice day.